Hello，各位爸爸妈妈，大家好，我是 Vicky 老师。在这个冬天呢，我们一开始很不像冬天。那我们在跟孩子在玩的那个游戏还有歌曲之中呢，我们很难去放一些很冷的，像雪花片片啦这样子的歌。那因此呢，我们会找了一些比较功能性的，像我们这次我发现孩子很容易上口的是有一首歌曲叫做《Two Little Blackbirds》。那在这边唱给大家听。好，这是 Two Little Blackbirds。Here we go. Two little blackbirds sitting on the wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Two little blackbirds sitting on the window. One named high, high, one named low. Fly away high, fly away low. Come back high, come back low. Two little blackbirds sitting on the window. One named fast, one named slow. Fly away fast, fly away slow. Come back fast, come back slow. Wait, I'm too slow. Here we go. Two little blackbirds sitting on the window. One named quiet, shh. One named loud. Fly away quiet, shh. Fly away loud. Come back quiet, shh. Come back loud. Alright, 好，希望大家可以跟孩子玩得很愉快。拜拜。